Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the connection problem for these earbuds. So I will show you 4 different problems and their solutions. So let's start. The first problem is about unsuccessful connections. So first of all, I will open the settings, and here you see this Bluetooth option. So I will select this Bluetooth option, and then from here I will turn on the Bluetooth. So once you turn on the Bluetooth, here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra Earbuds. So if I select it, after a few seconds, it will give a message of connection unsuccessful. So here it is also giving you another option which says forget device. So you have to select this forget device option. Now what you have to do, you have to turn off your Bluetooth. So turn off the Bluetooth. Now in the next step, you have to put these earbuds back into the charging case. So I will put them one by one in the charging case. Okay, and then you have to turn on the Bluetooth. So now I will turn on the Bluetooth, and now here it is showing Bose QC Ultra Earbuds in available devices. So now I will select it again, and this time it will make the successful connection. So here you can see Bose QC Ultra Earbuds are now connected and ready to use. The next problem is about Bluetooth is not showing these earbuds in available devices. So I will open the settings, and then I select this Bluetooth option, and then I will turn on the Bluetooth. So if you turn on the Bluetooth, here you can see it is not showing Bose QC Ultra earbuds in available devices. Even if I put these earbuds back into the charging case, it is still not showing any earbuds in available devices. So now what you have to do, at the back side of charging case, we have this Bluetooth button. So you have to press and hold this Bluetooth button for 5 seconds. So now I will press and hold this Bluetooth button for 5 seconds, and then here it will show you Bose QC Ultra Earbuds. So now I will release the button, and now it is showing the Bose QC Ultra Earbuds in your Bluetooth connection. Now I will select it to make a connection, and this time it will make a successful connection. So now here you can see Bose QC Ultra Earbuds are now connected and ready to use. The next problem is about failed connection. For example, the earbuds are inside the charging case, and I will close the charging case. Now I will open the Bluetooth settings. So here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra Earbuds not connected. Now for example, if I try to connect it, after a few seconds it will give me a message of unsuccessful connection. So we just have to wait for this notification, and then I will show you the next steps. So we just have to wait, and here it will show you the unsuccessful connection. So here you can see it is showing connection unsuccessful, and it is also showing make sure Bose QC Ultra Earbuds is turned on and in range. So you have to press OK for this notification, and then what you have to do, you have to select this eye icon from here, and then here you see this option of forget this device. Now select this forget this device option, and then here again select forget device. Now what you have to do, you have to open the charging case. So I will open the charging case, and now this time it will show you Bose QC Ultra Earbuds in your available devices. So now you have to just select it, and once you select it, after few seconds it will make a successful connection. So here you can see the Bose QC Ultra Earbuds are now connected with my phone and ready to use. The next problem is about Bose Music app connection. For example, here I open this Bose Music app, and then first of all I will insert these earbuds into the charging case. So I will insert both of these earbuds back into the charging case, and now here it is giving me the option of connect a product. So I will select this option, and then from here I select this headphones option, and then I will skip this account creation. So I will skip it from here, and then it will start scanning, and it will show you Bose QC Ultra Earbuds. And here it is giving you the option of connect. But if I try to select this connect option, after few seconds, it will give you this message of we are having a trouble connecting to your product. Please give it another try. So even if I try again, it will not able to connect these earbuds. So what you have to do, you have to open the phone Bluetooth settings. So I will just close this app. So I will close it like this. And now I will open the phone's Bluetooth settings. So I will go to the settings. Then I select this Bluetooth option. So here you can see it is also not connected from here. So what you have to do, you have to select this eye icon from here. Then select this forget this device option. And then again select this forget device. Now what you have to do, you have to press this Bluetooth button from the back side of charging case. So you have to press and hold it for 5 seconds. So I will press and hold it like this, and then here it will show you Bose QC Ultra Earbuds in available devices. So now you can select it, and this time it will make the successful connection. Now you have to open the Bose Music app. So here is the Bose Music app, and then I will try to connect it again. So I select connect a product, I select headphones, I will skip this account creation, and now it will start scanning, and then it will show you Bose QC Ultra Earbuds, and then I select connect from here. So this time it will make the successful connection. So you just have to wait for a few seconds, and here you can see everything is done. Here it is giving you the option of all set. So I will select this all set option, then select get started, and now you can see the Bose QC Ultra Earbuds are now connected with my app, and I can use all the features for these earbuds. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.